All right, so a lazy contractor would come in on a project like this and start slapping their cabinets in really, really quick. They would not let them, or they would not get them level and set, and then go through and start setting their countertop to an unlevel and unplumbed cabinet. For one, you can't do that. It creates a horrible product in the end. And for two, it's not the right way to do it. At Copper Sky Contracting, we try to go through and do what we do best, and that's making sure that the products are set, level, plumb, and ready to go for the customer.